Hi guys, welcome to my mukbang. Today I'm here with my friend Serena and we will be making tteokbokki, which is Korean rice cakes. Are you excited?
Yes. Very.
Where's your go-to place for rice cakes?
The food court. Combo set A.
Combo set A. What's in combo set A?
Beef kimbap and tteokbokki and soup. I think for $10. $10.
1 to 10, how spicy would you say the rice cakes are?
2.
A 2?
2.
Why 2?
Because my spice tolerance is super high. Much higher than yours because yours is non-existent.
Thank you. So on my level, how spicy do you think it would
100.
be? 100?
100. You can't even take nacho cheese, my guy.
Okay, that's true. Today we'll be making 2 versions of the dish. We'll be making a spicy one for Serena and a non-spicy one for me. To make tteokbokki, we will need rice cakes, cabbage, carrot, mushrooms, soy sauce, oyster sauce, and these are the ingredients that you'll need for the non-spicy version. Now let's do the spicy version. Rice cakes again, gochujang, red pepper flakes, sesame seed, cheese, noodles, soy sauce, sesame oil, minced garlic, green onions, and anchovy broth. And this is all you need for the spicy version. And now let's get cooking! And here are the rice cakes.
I'll give you 6.
Now we have to soak them and wash them in water. And then we do the same thing with these mushrooms.
Star number 2.
Ooh, that one's nice. Your family's gonna be like, why are there hearts in this? It's made with love. Oh my god, it looks like a smiley face. I wonder how the smell is like the ocean. Oh my god. It does.
Yeah.
So cool. I'll put a spill it.
3 scoopies.
Maybe I'll move this. The mushrooms have been rehydrated. Look at that. And they're very squishy. They look so thin. These are the clear ones, right? Ooh. So here we have our finished products. Come closer. This is the non-spicy version, and that's the spicy version. You can see her cheesy glass noodles here. And are you gonna add some like sesame seeds and seaweed flakes again?
Yeah, and more cheese.
Okay.
Maybe I should do it first.
And then here is my star carrot, my cabbage, some mushrooms, and some more sliced carrots. Very nice. I can't believe you started eating already.
It's good. I worked hard.
So here's our finished products again. Serena added some seaweed flakes and sesame seeds and mozzarella. How is that gonna melt?
It's still hot. The bottom is at least.
Now let's eat. Oh wow. It's still pretty good. I thought we overcooked it. You're contaminating my dish.
It's okay.
How is it? Does yours taste the same?
Mine's a little bit squishier. Because I heated mine a little bit longer.
Should I try some of yours?
Go ahead.
Oh my god, I'm scared though.
Take this one.
Okay. Oh my god, I already smell it. It's so spicy. But it's so spicy.
It's not. This is the least spicy one that I made.
Did you know that rice cakes used to be like this? They used to be plain and brown.
Wow, I did not know that. Why were they plain and brown?
Because they used to make it for like these royal courts. So then I guess like the king would be eating it plain and brown. But then later on, like in the 1950s or something, they would change it to that to make it spicy.
Yeah. Spicy.
And that's when it got like so popular and became like street food and stuff. Do you think they're spicier in Korea?
Probably.
They look like bright red though. In Korea, like it would be super super red. You know, like in those dramas, right? Where they serve it to you in a little cup or something. Yeah, it'll be like super red. And then yours is like, oops, yours is like orange. What spice level would that be for you?
2?
2? So
2?
K-Town ones are more?
Yeah. I think so. I don't know. I haven't had it for a long time.
Why do you think it's more?
Because they don't care about the other people that are eating it. I'm catering this towards my mom. It was the you of my family.
If your mom wasn't here, would you like
blast it with me?
More? How many scoops would it be instead of 3?
4, but then there would be more gochugaru.
Red pepper flakes?
Huh?
You just eat all of it? I want to try it.
Oh yeah. This much?
Maybe that's a bad idea. Like, my mouth is still tingling
That's cheese
from that one rice cake. Oh, I found a heart. Wow.
How many hearts are in there?
I have no idea. Isn't this nice? I get so many carrot surprises in my dish. What do you have? You just have clumped up noodles.
Good shit. I mean,
when was the first time you heard about rice cakes?
not this one, but I had
The flat ones?
no. They're the cylinder ones, but then in rice cake soup. Because I have an aunt who's Korean.
Oh.
And she made it for me, and I didn't like it.
Oh my god. Wait, I think that's like a special meal that they have on certain holidays or something.
On the New Year, they eat it to say that you aged 1 year.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Is that the significance of tteokbokki?
No, rice cake soup.
Yeah. That was the first time you ever ate it? How old were you?
Young. I don't know. I slept over at her house and she made it in the morning.
And then, do you remember like when was the first time you ate the spicy kinds?
I don't remember at all. I don't remember.
Wow.
It's just suddenly, wow, I like it.
I think the first time I had rice cakes was actually like the flat ones, not even the cylinder ones. You know,
I didn't even get to eat the flat ones until like recently. Now I just put it in my ramen.
Oh.
Tried making rice cake soup with the flat ones. So I put like 8 cloves of garlic in it. And it was just garlic.
That was me. One time I tried to make garlic bread. Sorry about that. Our camera died in the middle of eating, but now we finished and it's been really good. Did you have fun today, Serena?
So much fun. So much fun. So much delicioso food. Comer. Comida.
What did you enjoy the most about today?
Cleaning
Besides
up after you. No. I don't know. I miss
Besides eating it.
eating it with you, baby.
I hope your family enjoyed my carrot stars and hearts.
They did. You asked them. They're cute. I didn't put scallion on mine.
Oh, right. Oh my god. Wow.
It's okay.
At which step would you put the scallions?
Last. It's just garnish.
Oh, like the sesame seeds and the seaweed flakes?
Mm-hmm.
Speaking of spicy version, where did you get your recipe from?
From my mind. From this lady whose website is maangchi.com. She has a Korean cookbook, but I only used her recipe as a guideline because I don't measure anything.
Great.
Eyeball it like a true Asian.
I got my recipe from my mom because I asked her to make a non-spicy version of tteokbokki because I can't eat spice. So she just whipped up something in the kitchen and I guess that's how she did it.
Very cool. A+.
Thanks. That's it for today. So thank you guys for watching and we'll see you next time. One last one. Okay. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Rice.